The city, it was shining bright, a beacon of neon lights and endless possibilities. Big, tall buildings made of steel and glass. They were poking through the smoky sky, standing like giants in a world of their own. Rain, all shiny with the neon lights. It was flowing down the windows of a huge skyscraper, creating a mesmerizing dance of colors. Inside, one person was looking out at the city, lost in thought, contemplating the vastness of the urban jungle. Dr. Ava Rostova, her face. It showed how tired and how focused she was. A mix of exhaustion and determination etched into her features. She was watching the pterosaurs, the ones made in the lab, flying between the buildings, their wings cutting through the air with mechanical precision. They were amazing. These creatures from a long, long time ago, brought back to life by super smart science, a testament to human ingenuity. But making them, that was just the first part. The real challenge was understanding their world, their lives, and their ultimate demise. Eva's real goal, it was much bigger, to understand why they disappeared in the first place, and maybe, just maybe, stop humans from doing the same. She was driven by a mission that transcended time. Ava, she looked at the hologram on her wrist, a small device that held the key to the past and the future. It was showing pictures of old jungles, full of life, bright and wild, a stark contrast to the neon-lit city outside. Dinosaurs, big and scary, they were the kings of this old world, ruling with unmatched power and grace. But their time, like everything, it ended, leaving behind only bones and mysteries. The question that kept bothering Eva was, what could beat creatures so strong, so powerful? It was a puzzle that haunted her every waking moment. The answer, she thought, it was hidden in the old bones and fossils, like a puzzle waiting to be solved, a mystery that could hold the key to humanity's future. Dinosaurs. Just the word. It makes you think of huge creatures, their feet shaking the earth, their roars echoing everywhere. These magnificent beasts once roamed the planet, dominating every corner of the earth with their sheer size and power. They were the bosses of their time, ruling for more than 180 million years. Imagine that, a reign so long that it's almost impossible to comprehend in human terms. From the scary Spinosaurus hunting in thick swamps, to the mighty Tyrannosaurus Rex, its jaws strong enough to crush bones, these creatures were the ultimate predators. Dinosaurs showed how powerful and scary nature could be. Their sheer presence was a testament to the raw, untamed force of evolution. And so many different types. Some were gentle giants, happy to eat leaves in the fields. These peaceful herbivores coexisted with the more aggressive species, creating a balanced ecosystem. Others were fast and dangerous hunters, each move like a deadly dance. Their agility and speed made them formidable opponents in the wild. Even the sky, it was theirs. Pterosaurs, with their leathery wings and sharp beaks, they flew high, dominating the aerial realm with grace and precision. And some dinosaurs with feathers, they showed how birds came to be. These feathered creatures bridged the gap between ancient reptiles and modern birds, highlighting the incredible journey of evolution. Their world was full of life, showing how amazing evolution is, how life changes to survive. The story of dinosaurs is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life on Earth. Then, something terrible happened. A big rock, 6 miles wide, it came rushing towards Earth, super fast. It crashed into the Yucatan Peninsula like 1 billion bombs exploding. Everything went bad. Earthquakes, volcanoes erupting all over, huge waves, bigger than mountains, they covered everything. The sky, it looked like it was on fire. Hot, melted rocks fell from the sky, starting fires everywhere. The air became thick with ash and dust, blocking out the sun. Everything went dark and cold for a long, long time. The world of the dinosaurs, it was dying. Their time, it was coming to an end. But the big rock from space, it wasn't the only problem. Deep inside the Earth, something else was happening. The Deccan Traps, a place with lots of volcanoes in India, it started erupting. Lava covering huge areas, It flowed for thousands of years. Bad gases came out from the volcanoes, poisoning the air, making things even worse for the dinosaurs. The asteroid and the volcanoes together, they were too much, even for the strong dinosaurs. The forests died, the sky became quiet, no more pterosaurs flying. One by one the dinosaurs died, no food, no air, everything changing around them. Their time was over, showing us how powerful nature is and how life can be so easily lost. Section 5. Whispers of the End. Back in her lab, Eva, she was looking at the hologram of the dying Earth. Everything was clear. The dinosaurs, they didn't die suddenly. It was slow, like something choking the life out of the world. The dinosaurs so strong they couldn't do anything. Their story, Eva realized, it had a scary message for us humans. It was like looking in a mirror. The same technology that brought the dinosaurs back, it was also hurting the planet. Climate change, pollution, factories everywhere. They were creating big problems, like what happened long ago. Eva, she felt a shiver. Were we, the ones who think we control everything, going to make the same mistakes as the dinosaurs? Section 6. The Metal Dinosaurs. But Eva's work, it wasn't just about the past, it was about the future. The dinosaurs, brought back to life with metal parts and changed genes, they were more than just something interesting. They were a sign of what humans could do. These metal dinosaurs, that's what they were called. They were made to live in the polluted, crowded world. Some were made super strong, with metal parts to make them even stronger, able to move mountains of rubble. Others were made fast, their senses made better, like living cameras, watching over the city. These creatures, once gone forever, now they were a symbol of how life can survive, how it can change and keep going. Section 7. City of Stone, Metal Prey. But not everyone liked the metal dinosaurs. Some people who care about animals, they said it was wrong to bring them back, just to live in a dying world. Others said it was a waste of time and money, that we should fix the real problems. But the big companies that paid for Eva's work, they had different ideas. They saw the metal dinosaurs as a way to make money, as weapons, as tools. The dinosaurs again, they were being used by powerful people, their future decided by those with the technology and the money. The city, so different from their old home, it had new dangers, new hunters, the greedy companies. Section 8. Memories of Extinction. Eva watched the metal triceratops walking through the dirty areas outside the city, their horns now with cameras and sensors. They showed the difference between good science and bad science, between helping and hurting. The story of the dinosaurs, it echoed in the bright city, a warning. Their story, Eva realized, it wasn't just about dying, it was about surviving, about how strong life is. It was a story that humans needed to hear. The choices they made now, they would decide their future. Would they learn from the dinosaurs? Or would they become just another story of life and death? Section 9. A Time to Remember. The rain stopped, leaving the city glistening under the neon lights. The city lights, shining in the puddles, they looked like a painting, a masterpiece of light and water. Eva took a deep breath. The air, thick and stale, filled with the scent of rain and the hum of electricity. The dinosaurs were gone, killed by a disaster from space, a meteor that changed the course of history. But their story, it's still here, written in the rocks and bones, a testament to their existence. It's a story about how powerful nature is, how delicate life is, and how we need to remember the past to protect our future. It was time, she thought, to tell their story, to remind everyone of what happened and the problems we face today. Because the dinosaurs dying, it wasn't just their problem, it was a warning, a reminder that even the strongest can fall. Will we listen to the warning, or will we also disappear like the dinosaurs? leaving only remnants of our existence behind.